你好，我叫黄凯。I was born and raised in the city of Urumqi of China for the first 18 years. And then I went to Shanghai for university for 4 years. After that, I spent 2 years in Switzerland and 5 years in Singapore. I realized there are many challenges and interesting areas in the general insurance world. Currently, I work as a senior property treaty underwriter and a structurer in Singapore. So I just received my fellowship of the SOA last week in general insurance track. I'm very proud of being one of the first qualified actuary in such track of SOA. Along getting the fellowship, I also earned the credential of CERA, which is the Chartered Enterprise Risk Analyst. And it really gives me a chance to look at the risks of a company from different angles. So I chose the general insurance track of SOA because it's quality, about the people, about the material. I think SOA is a world-recognized actuarial society and has a very good reputation overseas and a lot of overseas members. I had a lot of textbook written by the members of SOA, including Harry Panger, Stuart Klopman, so they were icons to me. The general insurance track covers almost all the aspects of actuarial field. I think it is unique in a way that it provides online modules. In the e-learning module, it is possible for me to look at the project on a big picture level. And also I liked the applied statistics module in the e-learning for the general insurance track because it really gives me the opportunity to practice the project on the current statistical software. The e-learning module is valuable because it really provides a good first-hand real-life experience to the business case, which are relevant to our daily work. I think the strength in SOA would be its effort to improve the actuarial education globally. So it offers exams in almost all countries in the world. The standard of the SOA for other tracks is being applied the same for the general insurance track. I think that aspect tells something about the education. In my personal life, I like to travel a lot. In traveling, I like to talk to different people, see different things, taste different food. So I like to cook for my family. I think my wife perceives me as a good chef. So whenever I travel to the new cities and I see all these people and all the fantastic buildings, as a property underwriter, I couldn't help thinking about what's the value of those buildings and of course consider whether they are fully protected. One of the primary reasons that I wish to work in the insurance industry is that I really think the insurance provides safety and provide financial relief to the people, and which benefits the whole society. So after getting a fellowship of SOA, the qualification is definitely a big milestone for me professionally. What I wish to do next is to bring the most value out of it. Singapore wish to be an insurance hub in the region in the next couple of years. And I think it's definitely a lot of opportunities stay in the country.